How to mention team members. With a mentions, you can easily tag team members in chat threads, tasks, job descriptions and comments, and account notes. When you tag someone, they'll receive a notification. This feature is perfect for collaborating on projects. To tag someone, type the @ symbol in a text field. An inline drop-down will appear, showing a list of all team members. As you type more letters, the list will be further filtered. You can click to select a team member or use the arrow keys to navigate. You can mention multiple team members in a single text field. If an employee does not have account access, they will receive a notification and will be able to request access to the account. Mentioning in job comments is also a quick way of giving team members access to the pipeline, as they will be able to request access from the notification too. By default, you and your team members will receive notifications in your inbox plus an email when you're mentioned. You can modify this by checking the boxes in your notification preferences in your account settings. To reply, if you were mentioned in a comment on a job card, you can respond directly from Inbox Plus. Simply type your answer and send it. Your reply will be added as a new comment on the job card.